Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registration in BVI. What is a BVI company? A BVI company is a corporation formed in the British Virgin Islands under the BVI Business Corporation Act of 2004, which regulates all corporations. In spite of having the same features as a corporation, the BVI calls the types of businesses they permit to interact financially with non-residents of the BVI business companies. BVI Company Bank Account. Many people seek to establish a BVI Company bank account for their IBCs in the British Virgin Islands. A corporation established in the BVI can hold a bank account. Many people seek this arrangement for financial privacy, tax saving, or asset protection. About BVI. The British Virgin Islands are part of the Virgin Islands located in the Siberian to the east of the Puerto Rico. The other islands are the Spanish Virgin Islands and the US Virgin Islands. Many also call BVI the Virgin Islands and are a British overseas territory. BVI company types. The BVI Business Companies Act of 2004 permits the formation of 5 kinds of business companies. 1. Business companies that are restricted by shares. 2. Business companies restricted by a guarantee stating the company cannot issue shares. 3. Business companies that are both restricted by a guarantee and can issue shares. 4. Business companies that are unlimited but cannot issue shares. And 5. Business companies that are unlimited and can issue shares. BVI Company Benefits. Proceeding with BVI Company can set up provide the following BVI Company benefits. Number 1. Popular jurisdiction. 2. The official language in the BVI is English and English is spoken globally. 3. One shareholder. 4. No income or corporate taxes. 5. Clean reputation. 6. Privacy. BVI Company Formation Cost. The cost for an offshore company in the BVI is shown in the order process on this website. The BVI formation cost consists of the government fees, formation fees and required agent or office fee, document shipping, etc. A BVI company must be established through an agent. There are numbers and inquiry from on this page to proceed with BVI company registration or for added support. Corporate name. BVI Corporation must select a unique corporate name that is not similar to already existing corporation names. BVI office address and local agent. BVI corporations must have a local registered agent and a local office addresses. BVI company shareholders. BVI corporations are required to have at least one shareholder, as we read about it in previous slides. BVI company directors and officers. BVI corporation are required to have at least one director. A company secretary is not required. Authorized capital. There is no authorized capital in the BVI. BVI corporation are not required to pay corporate taxes to the BVI government. BVI corporation pay reasonable annual fees. This charge is periodically, so inquire for specifies. Public records. BVI corporation do not need to share information about officers, directors, owners or shareholders in any public records. None of this information is filed with the register. The only company records that are made available to the public are the articles of association and memorandum. Accounting and audit requirements. Offshore corporations in the BVI are not required to keep annual records. However, BVI local corporations are required to publish their annual financial statements and they must be audited once a year by an independent auditor. Annual Journal Meeting. Annual journal meeting must be held by BVI corporation. There is no requirement for annual journal meeting to be held locally as they can be held anywhere in the world. Time required for incorporation. BVI corporations can expect the entire process to take about 3 to 6 days. BVI company due diligence requirements. In order to establish a professional relationship, the law requires, and our BVI company affiliate office needs to hold the following for each shareholder, director, and beneficial owner of the company. Self-corporations. Self-corporation are available in the BVI for faster incorporation. BVI company formation conclusion. British Virgin Islands corporations receive many benefits, including incorporating in the most popular jurisdiction in the world where English is the official language and has a clean reputation with international finance watchdog organizations, no corporate or income taxes to incorporate, and strict privacy for owners, shareholders, directors, and officers. Thank you.